हाँ हाँ ठीक আছে ओके थैंक यू hello everyone good afternoon we'll continue with our sessions on Indian geography, and this MCQ discussions has immense importance in terms of your particularly which is having much weightage in your civil service examinations, and particularly the conceptual part we'll discuss along with the factual part. Here I'm going to tell you the details of the facts, that how we are going to attempt or going for an approach for a questions for this one. Okay, let's do it. First question, which region in India is known as the rice bowl of India specifically? Indo-Gangetic Plain, Krishna Godavari Delta regions, Northeast regions, Kerala Tamil Nadu region. Which one? Indo-Gangetic, Krishna Godavari Delta region, Northeast region, and Kerala and Tamil Nadu region. Which one? Rice bowl, that is your Krishna Godavari Delta region. B. Next, Duncan Passage situated in between Minicoy and Aminadibi, Minicoy and Maldives, Little Andaman and Car Nicobar, South Andaman and Little Andaman. Your choice is your D for Delhi. We'll discuss that one. Krishna Godavari Delta, which is in Andhra Pradesh. The Krishna Godavari Delta is region as rice bowl of India. The rice bowl of India is the state of Andhra Pradesh, particularly. Andhra Pradesh is one of the leading states in terms of your rice productions. Rice production, Andhra Pradesh is one of your leading state. It has historically held that distinction, and with Andhra Pradesh, it is the East Godavari district. Particularly, Andhra Pradesh, it is the East Godavari district that can be called as a rice bowl of Andhra. East Godavari district jota achi, which can be known as your rice bowl of Andhra Pradesh. East Godavari district. South Andaman and Little Andaman, South Andaman and the Little Andaman. Duncan Passage, South Andaman or Little Andaman. Just let me draw a diagram here so that you can have a thought of this. This is your North Andaman. This is middle. South. This is North Andaman. South Andaman. This is, and this is your Little Andaman. This is your Duncan Passage. Duncan Pass, this one. Duncan Pass is a strait in the Indian Ocean. It is about 48 km wide. It separates Rutland Island, part of Great Andaman, to the north, and Little Andaman to the south. West of the Duncan Passage is the Bay of Bengal, particularly the Bay of Bengal. East is the Andaman Sea. Several small islands and islets lie along this passage. Small island and islets also lie along the passage, particularly. See, Andaman Andaman's tinta mainly Andaman, middle, South Andaman, Little Andaman. Our epoch Nicobar, Andaman or Nicobar Vitra Nicobar Sumde, your Great Nicobar and Car Nicobar, Great Nicobar, Middle Nicobar, and it is your Great Nicobar. Andaman Nicobar भितर जदि जो लाइन जदि किए ताको सेपरेट करछे, that is your 10-degree channel. Next देखबा which of the following geographical term related with a naturally formed narrow typically navigable waterway, narrow typically navigable waterway that connects two larger bodies of water. Okay, typically navigable waterway that connects two larger bodies of water. Peninsula, Gulf, Strait and Island. Typically navigable waterway that connects two larger bodies of water. That is your strait, basically. Next, which of the following is suitable definition of archipelago? Archipelago is a circular coral reef that encloses, okay, archipelago is a suitable definition of archipelago. First is a circular reef that encloses a shallow lagoon, a chain or set of islands grouped together, the plant or animal life on the earth, none of the above. It is your B for Bombay. Chain or set of islands grouped together, particularly chain or set of islands that is grouped together. This is a strait. Strait is a narrow passage of water connecting two water bodies. Narrow passage of water that connecting two water bodies. A narrow waterway joining two larger bodies of water. That is the Strait of Gibraltar. This is the Strait of Gibraltar. Gibraltar. This is, and for example, Strait of Gibraltar that connects your. This is your Mediterranean Sea. This is Mediterranean Sea, and this is your Atlantic Ocean. A narrow strip of sea that links two larger areas of sea, particularly two larger of areas of sea. These are the archipelago. An archipelago, sometimes called island groups or island chain. Island groups or island chain is a chain or cluster or collection of islands, or sometimes a sea containing a small number of scattered islands. The Indonesian archipelago, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Japanese archipelago, and the Philippines archipelago, particularly. Indonesian archipelago, then Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Japanese archipelago, and your Philippines archipelago, particularly your Philippines archipelago. Indonesian archipelago को कहा जाए कि सबुठु यदि देखियो Indonesian archipelago है सबुठु बड़ यदि वर्ल्ड रे की थाए archipelago ऊपर है even if ताले it is your Indonesian archipelago. Indonesian archipelago कहा जाए कि it is consist of your 18,000 group of islands, particularly Indonesian archipelago consists of your 18,000 group of your islands, Indonesian archipelago, right? Indonesian archipelago, it is completely located in your Pacific Oceans. In the Indonesian archipelago, it is completely situated in your Pacific Islands, completely. Then we'll see. mm, just a minute. Which among the following is the largest archipelago in the world? Again, it is your যদি আমরা দেখি না discuss করলাম, the largest archipelago re your Indonesian archipelago will come, that one. Same thing. Which of the following is the world's largest peninsula? Largest peninsula, যদি দেখো, it is the Arabian Peninsula. Let's see. One of the largest archipelago in the world is the Indonesian archipelago. Which is located in the midway in the Malay archipelago between the Indian and Pacific Ocean, between Indian and Pacific Oceans ভিতরে. According to the Indonesian Coordinating Ministry for Maritime Affairs, this archipelago is made up of 17,504 islands, or near about your 18,000 your islands approximates. The National Institute of the National Institute of Aeronautics and Space, National Institute of Aeronautics and Space reports that the number of islands in this archipelago is near about 18,306. Near about 18,306. The Arabian Peninsula is the Earth's largest, spanning that is near about 12,50,000 square miles. 12,50,000 square miles. It connects to the mainland Asia and is surrounded by the Persian Gulf. It is surrounded by the Persian Gulf, the Red Sea, and the Arabian Sea. It is surrounded by the Persian Gulf, the Red Sea, and the Arabian Sea. The three sides, as well as other small bodies of water. Arabian Peninsula. Next, which of the following pass has been created by the Indus River? Indus River create this is your Rohtang Pass, Nathula, Barlacha Pass, and Banihal Pass. Created by the Indus River. Rohtang, then your Nathula, then Barlachala Pass, then your Banihal Pass. It is your Banihal Pass, D for Delhi. Which passes make way to the land route between Kailas and the Mansarovar? Kailas or Mansarovar ke which passes make way to the land route between Kailas and Mansarovar? It is Manna Pass, Rohtang, Nathula, Balachala. Balachala to habani, Nathula Sikkim bhi habani, Rohtang. It is your Manna Pass. Kailas or Mansarovar. Will you explain? Banihal Pass, Banihal Pass, which is located at 2832 meter level, 2832 meter level. And the Pir Panjal Mountains connects the Banihal with Kajigund on the other side of the mountains. The Pir Panjal mountain range separates the Kashmir Valley in the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir. Pir Panjal range Kashmir Valley of the Indian states. Kashmir Valley to the Indian states, to the Indian state Jammu and Kashmir from the outer Himalaya and the plains to the south. Okay, Manna Pass देखिए, Manna Pass was the ancient trade route between Tibet and India via Uttarakhand. Right? Tibet and it laid from the Badrinath to the Gas town in Tibet. Right? It laid from Badrinath to the Gas town in Tibet. The trade route was fully functional till it was fully functional to the 1951 when it was shut down by the Chinese. In 1954, an agreement was signed between India and China that allowed the pilgrims and the other travelers to travel through this path, particularly. In 1951. If I show between this, you can show this one. Just take it. Just it is it is right. 8 here tomorrow. Particularly, this is Nitti Man. Ei jaga. Particularly, ei jaga tare. Your Mansarovar. Right? How Kailas. This is Kailas. I am mentioning Kailas range. Right? Ei jaga particularly. Which are the following pass link the Srinagar to Leh? Particularly, pass link the Srinagar to Leh. Srinagar to Leh की connect कुछ Manna Pass, Rohtang Pass, Nathula, and Jojila. Manna, Rohtang, Nathula, and Jojila. Manna, Rohtang, Nathula, and Jojila. Srinagar to Leh की connect कुछ Srinagar to Leh. Srinagar to Leh যদি তোমার connect করছি, that is your Jojila Pass, D for Delhi. Which of the following river has the largest river basin in India? Kiya bitaru? The Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Krishna. Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, largest river basin in India. It is your Ganga. Ganga river basin is the largest river basin in India. You can connect করছি जोटा कि ब्रह्मपुत्र ठू बड़ ब्रह्मपुत्र इन इंडिया क्वेश्चन देछि इन इंडिया जदि हमें क्वेश्चन देई थांदा कि नॉर्मली इन सब बड़ बेसिन्स का देन वी वुड हैव गो फॉर फर्स्ट रैंक इन इंडस देन सेकंड इंडस देन थर्ड गंगा आस्थांदा. Next देखो the Jojila is a high mountainous pass in the Himalayas. Jojila को जो तुम कहो it is the high mountainous pass in the Himalayas in the Indian territory of Ladakh. Located in the Dras, the pass connects the Kashmir Valley to its west with the Dras and Suru valleys to the northeast and the Indus Valley to the further east. ठीक है जी. Jojila Mukaili is a high mountainous pass in the Himalayas in the Indian territory Ladakh, located in the Dras. Right? Kashmir Valley to the west, the Dras and Suru Valley to the northeast, and the Indus Valley to the further east. The national highway, the NH1, National Highway 1 between Srinagar and Leh in the western section of the Himalayan mountain range traverses the pass. Right? Traverses the pass since vehicle flow stops during winter every year due to the heavy snowfall and all weather like your Jojila tunnel is now constructed to mitigate such. Bartaman kon hochi National Highway 1 jota amar achi between Srinagar and Leh in the western section of the Himalayan mountain range. Hele? Traverses the pass since vehicle flow stops during winter every year due to heavy snowfall. The all-weather Jojila tunnel is now constructed to mitigate such. Jojila tunnel करके सारे श्रीनगर लेह पास को कनेक्ट करछन. Then the Ganga river basin, that is 10,80,000 square kilometer, 10.8 lakh square kilometer. Ganga river is the most sacred river of India, and the Ganga basin is the most fertile for the agriculture. Ganga most fertile for the agriculture. Then Godavari river basins, 10,80,000 square kilometer. Then near Godavari, 3,12,812 square kilometer. Ganga Gala, then Godavari. Then Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra 2,78,000 near about, it is 2,78,000 approximate. Then your Krishna, there is 2,58,000, okay, 948. Now Ganga, Godavari, Brahmaputra and Krishna. Next, which of the following rivers is not part of the Panchanath? The river, the Ravi, Indus, Chenab and Jhelum. Ravi, Indus, Chenab and Jhelum is not part of the Panchanath. Ravi, Indus, Chenab and Jhelum. देखियो Ravi, Indus, Chenab and Jhelum. It is your Panchanadra, it is not your Indus. Panchanadra. We'll explain kahinki Indus ra 5 tributary saman ki hochi. No. Then which of the following river flows in a Rift Valley? Rift Valley upre ki hochi? The Son, Yamuna, Narmada and Luni. That is your answer is your, it is Narmada, C. Panchanath river is formed by a successive confluence or the merger of 5 rivers of the Punjab. Namely, successive confluence or the merger of 5 rivers, that is your Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj. Panchanath area is located in Punjab, Pakistan. It is an agricultural area near Uch Bahawalpur, and is where all the 5 rivers of Punjab they are merged. है उजवाहलपुर पंजाब रे सेठी माने जोटा कि इंडिपेंडेंस पूर्व those areas. It is a beautiful picnic point and known as fresh aquatic marine species. Narmada River in India that flows in a rift valley flowing west between the Satpura and the Vindhyan range particularly. Flowing west between the Satpura and Vindhyan range. This is Vindhya, this is your Satpura. This Narmada River flows the other rivers which flows through the Rift Valley include Damodar River in Chota Nagpur Plateau and Tapi. माने river Rift Valley एटा हम देखिले तुमको नर्मदा रिवर जोड़ा फ्लो करछि विंध्या और सतपुरा मुझे और ड्रेन होछि गल्फ ऑफ खंबात ठीक अछि गल्फ ऑफ खंबात that is your Arab Sea. The other rivers that flow through the Rift Valley include it is the Damodar River in Chota Nagpur Plateau and Tapi River also. Damodar and Tapi. The Tapi River and the Mahi River also flow through the Rift Valleys, but between the different ranges. Okay, the Tapi and the Mahi River, particularly Tapi and Mahi River, they also flow through the Rift Valley, between the different ranges. Tapi और Mahi River भी समाने different ranges से समाने flow करचंदी. Next, देखिए, consider the following statements related to the Vishnu Prayag. It is one of the Panch Prayag, 5 confluence of the Alkananda River, and lies at the confluence of Alkananda River and Dholinganga River. One of the Panch Prayag, 5 confluences of the Alkananda River and lies at the confluence of Alkananda River and Dholinganga River in Chamoli district in the Indian state of Uttarakhand, particularly. In the Indian state of Uttarakhand. The place of confluence of the Alkananda and the Bhagirathi. Vishnu Prayag is the place of Alkananda Bhagirathi, that is wrong. It is Dev Prayag. Panch Prayag of Alkananda river lies at the confluence of, it is one of the Panch Prayag, Vishnu Prayag. Vishnu Prayag, it is your Alkananda and Dholinganga. Yes, it is correct. Only one is correct. Only one. Next, data question पर, as I said earlier also, after every 2 successive questions, we will discuss the answer particularly. Consider the following statements related to the storms. During hot weather season. Mango showers. Since the rain showers are good for the mango trees, occur along the coast of Kerala. Mango showers. Lu is the name given to the hot, dry winds that blow in the northern plains. Lu is the name given to the hot, dry winds that blow in the northern plains. It is very common in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh. Called Andhi in Bihar. So this is correct. Lu is the name. Like this one is correct. The rain showers are good for the mango trees. Mango showers occurs along the coast of Kerala. Mango showers. This is also correct. So answer is your both 1 and 2. Vishnu Prayag derived its name from Vishnu. According to the Hindu scriptures, it is the place where the sage Narada meditated, and after which the Vishnu appeared before him. It is near to Kagbhusandi lake, particularly. It is near to your Kagbhusandi lake. These rains normally occur from March to April, although their arrival is often difficult to predict, particularly. The intensity can range from light showers to heavy and persistent thunderstorm. The light showers to heavy and persistent thunderstorm. In India, the mango showers occur as a result of the thunderstorm development over the Bay of Bengal. Mango showers is the name of pre-monsoon showers in Karnataka. Mango showers कौन होगा? Is the name of the pre-monsoon showers in Karnataka. Karnataka, Kerala, Konkan, and Goa. Karnataka, Kerala, Konkan, and Goa. That help in the ripening of mangoes, particularly. They are also known as April rains or summer showers. Mango showers is the name of pre-monsoon showers in Karnataka, Kerala, Konkan, Goa that help in the ripening of mangoes. Generally कौन हुए monsoons रो arrival पूर्वरु भी वर्षा बेले हुए. Most of the time we have noticed as one arrival of the before the arrival of monsoon that is called pre-monsoons. Basically pre-monsoon rainfall भी हुए. Pre-monsoon rainfall टा जोटा कि ये monsoon रो arrival पूर्वरु सेटा mostly देखा जाए. Pre-monsoon rainfall. Next, consider the following statements is about the southwest monsoon. The bulk of rainfall is received during this season in almost every part of India except Tamil Nadu. The bulk of rainfall is received during this season is almost every part of India except Tamil Nadu. Southwest monsoon. Bulk of rainfall is received during this season in almost every part of India except Tamil Nadu. Blossom shower. With this shower, coffee flowers blossom in Karnataka. Blossom shower in this with this shower, coffee flowers blossom in Karnataka and its nearby areas. आउथरे क्वेश्चन रिपीट करछि साउथ वेस्ट मानसून्स ପାଇଁ करेक्ट किए the bulk of rainfall is received during this season in almost every part of India except Tamil Nadu. This is correct. Blossom shower with this shower, that is coffee showers blossom in Karnataka and its nearby areas. No. Blossom shower with this shower, coffee showers blossom in Karnataka. This is pre-monsoon basically. So answer is your correct here. It is only 1 A. Next, which of the following longitudes is the standard meridian of India? Standard meridian of India. It is 82 degree 30 minute east, particularly 82 degree 30 minute east, standard meridian, C. Next, southwest monsoon period is the principal rainy seasons for the Indian subcontinent. Principal rainy season in the Indian subcontinent. This is the summer monsoon period where the southwest monsoon holds away over the country. Where the south hold over the country, the whole country receives nearly 75% of rainfall during this period. Southwest monsoon sets in over the extreme southwestern tip of the peninsula by the end of the May. तमाने जब डायग्राम करी आहुरी हमर क्लैरिटी हिजो. Southwest monsoon कौन हुए इंसान जानती देला पर they turn away एठी आसी माडो होनसन मोस्टली by Kerala coast रे by the end of the May or by 1st June. End of May or 1st June. The standard meridian of India, it is near about 80.82 degree 5, 82.5 degree particularly. We can write this one. Confusion over 82.5 degrees standard meridian in the east of the Greenwich. 82 degree 30 minute east. This is your IST, Indian Standard Time. This meridian passes through the city of Allahabad. It runs through the center of the country. In 1905, this longitude was selected as the meridian to create the Indian Standard Time. Meridian to create the Indian Standard Time. It passes through Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, UP, MP, Chhattisgarh, Indian Standard Time, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, then Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh. Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh. It passes through mainly Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh from Mirzapur देखिए ये पास करछ पर्टिकुलरली एठी जदि मु एठी लिखिबी Mirzapur is located near your Allahabad. Which of the following places receive highest rainfall in the world? क्या मित्रों? सिलचर, Cherrapunji, Maisunram, and Guwahati. Silchar, Cherrapunji, Maisunram, and Guwahati. Your answer is your Maisunram. Maisunram receives your highest rainfall in the world. What is the local name of the wind blowing in the northern plains during summer? Okay, it is Kala Baisakhi, trade winds, Lu, and none of the above. What is the local name of the wind blowing in the northern plains during summer? Northern plains. Okay, it is Lu. Lu है la main जे कि that blows in your northern plains. Right? Next देखिए Maisunram, the average annual rainfall is your near about let's say your 1200 centimeter. ठीक है जी mm माने 1 centimeter is equal to as we know 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm है तो जब एटा मु mm रे कन्वर्ट करी इट इज 12000 अप्रोक्सीमेट इट इज 12000 mm ना तो मेरी 1200 centimeter लिखली द प्लेस दैट रिकॉर्ड्स द हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल ऑन द अर्थ इज Maisunram which is located in the Meghalaya in India है located only 15 kilometers from the Cherrapunji. That is, villagers in the Maisunram use grass to soundproof their huts from the deafening rain that pelts their homes during the rainy seasons particularly. Lu is a hot, dry winds of the northern plains of India called Lu. Hot, dry winds that is in the northern plains of India, which is provided to wind which blows in the month of May and June. Month of May or June there the boiling heat of the temperature gets up to 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, which causes sunstroke and the fatal health. लू जो देखिए लू पूरा राजस्थान रो एठू बाहरी की जस्ट अ मिनिट लू पूरा जदि हम देखिए लू रा this is Lu. Path of Lu. This one. Hot and dry winds in northern plains of India is called Lu, is the name which is provided to the wind which blow in the month of May and June in the northern plains. The boiling heat The temperature gets up to 45 to 50 degrees centigrade, which causes sunstroke and fatal for the health. So that is sunstroke and that is really cause your fatals to the health. Which of the following season, next to 19, which of the following season of rainfall during winters in northwestern part of India? Cyclonic depression, western disturbances, irritating monsoons and southwest monsoon. Who season of rainfall during winters in northwestern part of India? Rainfall during winters, that is your western disturbances mainly. Western disturbances. Which of the following factors is characterized by the cold weather season in India? Cold weather season के warm days, warm nights, warm days, cold nights, cool days, cold nights, cold days, warm nights. It is your warm days and cold nights. B for Bombay. It will be B. This one also B. Western disturbances that cause rainfall during the winter in the northwestern part of the India. This is the pattern driven by the westerlies. Particularly, western disturbances are important to the development of the rabi crops in the northern subcontinent. Northern subcontinent, which includes the local important staple wheat. The local important staple wheat. Cold weather season in India begins during mid-November in the northern India and stays till February. Cold weather season देखो India begins during mid-November, North India, and stays till February. December and January are the coldest month. During the cold season, the days are warm and nights are cold. And the northern parts of India experience cool days and cool nights. Okay. Northern parts of experience cold days and cool nights. Next, which of the following are related to the Himalayan range? It forms, just a minute, it forms the highest mountain range in the world, extending 2500 km over the northern India, bounded by the Indus River in the west and the Brahmaputra in the east. The three parallel ranges, the Himadri, the Himachal and the Shivaliks, have deep canyons caused by the rivers flowing into the Gangetic plain. This one is correct and this one is also correct. So both are correct, both 1 and 2. The Himalayan ranges is one of the youngest mountain ranges on the planet and consists of mostly uplifted sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. Sedimentary and the metamorphic rocks. It is one of the youngest mountain ranges in the world, in our planet. According to the modern theory of plate tectonics, its formation is the result of continental collision or the orogeny along the convergent boundary. Continental collisions hochi the boundary main Himalayan thrust, that is MHT, main Himalayan thrust, between the Indo-Australian plate and the Eurasian plate, between the Indo-Australian plate and Eurasian plate. Consider the following UMBP projects and their respective states: Talaiya, Odisha; Sassan, Madhya Pradesh; Vedabahal, Jharkhand. Talaiya, Odisha; Sassan, your Madhya Pradesh; and the Vedabahal in Jharkhand. UMBP projects के respective states है Talaiya, Odisha, and this is wrong. Sassan, Madhya Pradesh is correct. Vedabahal, Jharkhand, this is wrong. Actually, Vedabahal, Odisha, and Talaiya, Jharkhand. Which of the following statements are correctly matched? Only 1, 2 is correct. Only 2 is correct. Only 2, 3. So here only 2 is correct. The question as per. Which of the following geographical term related with the body of land surrounded by water on 3 sides? Peninsula, Gulf, Strait, and island. It is the strait. Sorry. It is the peninsula. Strait. I'm sorry. The 3 side water. That is the peninsula. Answer is A. Ultra mega power project देखिए. The very large size projects approximately 4,000 megawatt each capacity. 4,000 megawatt each capacity particularly. Talaiya ultra mega power project जोटा कि in Jharkhand was recently in news as it was abandoned by the original owner Reliance Power and is likely to be auctioned afresh particularly. Vedabahal UMPP is located near Sundargarh district of Odisha. Vedabahal जोटा कि Sundargarh district रहुची. Peninsula is also called the Indian Peninsula. Is like that. The peninsula, जो टकले Indian Peninsula, which is surrounded by 3 sides on the water body. This is peninsula, Bay of Bengal, and this is your Arab Sea, and this is your Indian Oceans. तीनटा side रू ही totally. It is surrounded by 3 sides. Where is Mairkasi project? Mairkasi, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, West Bengal, and Maharashtra. Mairkasi project is in West Bengal. C. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Ukai project, river Tapi. Sardar Sarovar project, river Narmada. Farakka project, river Yamuna. Salal project, river Chenab. It is the Farakka project, river Yamuna. This is wrong. It is completely wrong. So it is not correctly matched. Question. Correctly matched. It is not correctly matched. Not correctly matched. It is your Farakka. Markazi is a tributary of the Hooghly, which rises from the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Markazi is a tributary of the Hooghly, which rises from the Chota Nagpur Plateau and flows through Bihar and West Bengal. Flows through Bihar and West Bengal. Markazi. It is a multi-purpose project of West Bengal to create irrigation potential. To create irrigation potential, generate power, and control floods and erosion, particularly. The river in Hooghly. Markazi is a tributary of Hooghly River, rises from the Chota Nagpur Plateau, particularly Bharchi. Chota Nagpur Plateau Bharchi flows through the Bihar और West Bengal देखी जाऊँगी. It is a multi-purpose project of West Bengal to create irrigation potential, generate power, and control floods and erosion. Markazi projects mainly. Farakka barrage is a barrage across the Ganga River located in the Murshidabad district in the Indian state of West Bengal, roughly 18 km from the border of West Bengal near Sahibganj. Farakka barrage across the Ganga River, mainly which is Murshidabad district in the Indian state, well, roughly near about the 18 kilometers from the border of the West Bangladesh near Sahibganj. Farakka barrage township is located in the Farakka in Murshidabad district. Construction was started in 1961 and completed in 1975. Near about 1600 approximate crores of budget was there. 160 crore near about. Operation began in 21st April 1975. Farakka barrage main purpose thila create hବାର India रे. Farakka barrage जो create हला, it is a multi-river valley project. This was then create to supply the irrigation, hydroelectric power generation, HEP power generation, irrigations, hydroelectric power generations, irrigation, HEP, and your drinking water, safe journey. These are the things जोटा कि यमुना उपरे तमर mainly Farakka barrage जोटा completely there is, that was the main purpose. Independence before independence, the project was envisaged, and independence during independence the work was going on, and after independence it was completely in government, in functional. Silting of water diversions to the many of the waters which are diverted to your Bangladesh can also be controlled by this Farakka barrage project. बहुत गुटे पानी एपटे कौन था फरक्का बैरेज रो बांग्लादेश को पड़ोतला तो बैरेज हेबा द्वारा कौन है वाटर कंजर्वेशन है हमर ड्यूरिंग द लीन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इट इज हेल्पफुल टू आवर इंडियन स्टेट्स आल्सो. ठीक अछि ओके देन आज पे एतिकी विल मीट अगेन. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.